How you doing? It's Justin Costello here with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Gonna give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. All right, we're up aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. It's equipped with two white Mercury 225 V6 outboards. Look at this large, almost full beam transom seat, so your guests can sit comfortably in the back if you're cruising. This will close right down. Great transformation to a casting platform with rod holders across the transom. Looking forward, we got a prep center with a freshwater sink, a large insulated live well. And below there is a slide out Yeti cooler. Keep your drinks cold. Going to the helm, we do have the upgraded helm seat, bolsters that flip up and down for support. We also have the Raymarine Axiom 12 Pro screen. So it's got fish finder, GPS, got a Raymarine VHF, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, 4-inch vessel view controls. In the console we also have a marine pump out head. And there you see, nicely stored out of the way, is your bow table. Which leads me up into the bow. Look at this space, the seating. Amazing 27-foot hybrid bay offshore center console. The great thing is all these cushions just snap right off. The seats can fold down. And you can go take all these off and use this as another casting platform. Flush deck at the bow with two rod holder storage for our bow sunshade, and then a through hull anchor system with controls at the helm and right up here at the bow. Stereo controls for your passengers sitting right here. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Check this out. Look at all this storage. Rod storage. We got the scuba tank rack storage. Perfect South Florida boat. You want to take it to the Keys. Being in South Florida, you want to go snorkeling, diving, fishing, family cruising. The boat can do it all. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, and we got this 270 Dauntless here in stock and ready to go.